We're live, and we are still seeing that SPRO is still holding up some of the gains it recorded yesterday, the 22nd of September, as I added another 3.6% to that. Okay, let's see what Tesla is doing. Tesla is down 2.33%. I think there's news there concerning Tesla. Let's see here. Okay, it's saying here that Tesla is down a fraction in this pre-market session, adding to a 4.1% drop on Thursday, yesterday, the 22nd of September. The company plans to recall roughly 1.1 million cars in the US because its window automatic reversal system may fail to respond effectively after detecting an obstruction, increasing the risk of injury, Tesla said in a letter to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. So far, 1.293 million shares have crossed the tape. Not much is going on here on the option, based on what the order book is indicating. Okay, let's look at the BBBY. Bed Bath & Beyond is down 3.68% in this pre-market session. Let's find out why it has dropped. Let's see. There's no news out there specifically, but it's down 3.68%. Let's get a chart. Let's get the daily chart for BBBY. Okay, since early September, it has continued to decline. It actually spiked, but got resistance from its 10-day moving average, and is now has fallen below all of its moving averages on its daily chart, just getting support around where its volume weighted average price is. Or rather, right now in this pre-market session, it should be below that volume weighted average price. After volume weighted average price is at 7.05 approximately. BBBY is now at $6.3. Let's look at Costco. Costco is down 1.92%. The company on Thursday reported a fall in fourth quarter profit margins as it battles higher freight and labor costs on rising inflationary pressure on global supply chain snags. Costco's gross margin on a reported basis was 10.18% versus 10.92% a year ago. Oppenheimer says Costco's bottom line delivery disappointed investors' expectations, following strong fuel upside at BJ's Wholesale Club Holdings Inc. and Kroger Co. in their recent reports, and slashes the price target to $550 from $600. Still, Costco beat quarterly revenue estimates held by steady demand for its candies, fuel offerings, and fresh food. Up to Thursday's close, the stock had fallen 14.1% this year, 2022, compared with a 1% decline in the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 Food and Staples Retail Index. D.A. Davidson adjusts price target on Costco to $455 from $440. Okay, maintains neutral rating. Okay, that's an upward revision. Morgan Stanley adjusts price target on Costco to $525 from $560. Retrace overweight rating. That's a downward revision. AMD is down 2.62%. Morgan Stanley adjusts target on AMD to $95 from $102. Retraces overweight rating. Let's see the chart. We're counting down to the open. We have about 37 minutes before the market opens. Let's look at AMD's. You can see the broader market chart, or rather the daily charts. The stock is strongly underperforming. is amid stronger bearish trend. Okay, let's look at Microsoft MSFT. Okay, down 1.24%. Let's get the news. Microsoft is down 1.2% in the pre-market session of today, the 23rd of September 2022, after climbing 0.9% in the previous session. Chief Executive Satya Nadella said he remains confident that the company will secure regulatory approval for its planned $69 billion purchase of Activision Blizzard, even with a longer view under the UK's Competition and Markets Authority. Yeah, that's the news concerning Microsoft. 264,443 shares have crossed the tape so far. Apple down 1.81%. Okay, Apple Music to sponsor NFL Super Bowl halftime show. Let's see. Wall Street. Okay. Apple Music is sponsoring the NFL's halftime show or Super Bowl. That will be Super Bowl. That looks like 48 on February 12th, 2023. The NFL said on Thursday. NFL said Apple Music will provide exclusive details leading up to the show through social media. The show will be Apple Music's first year as part of the Super Bowl halftime show. Okay, that's some positive for the NFL. Okay, 1.297 million shares have crossed the tape. Okay, let's look at Cassava stock. SAV. Cassava Sciences down 2.84%. Okay. Cassava Sciences declined to 4.5%. Okay, about 3.3% or thereabout after surging 36% in the previous session. Was that the case? Okay, it seems that is the case, that is 6%, but since August, I believe, since August stock is rather before, as a matter of fact, late July, it has been surging. So the stock has is now in a strong bullish trend, but it's rallying within a longer term bearish trend, I believe. All of its moving averages have turned up, apart from the 200-day moving average. But by some standards, the 200-day moving average may have also turned up as well. Let's have a look and see. We'll have an in-depth coverage of Cassava Sciences stock later on. down 2.96%. Let's look at the LITM. Snow Lake Resources up 14.78%. What's the news behind that? Snow Lake Lithium rallies after supply deal with Korea's LG Energy. Okay, that's some good news. US listed shares of Snow Lake Resources up 15.2% at 2.65 in this pre-market after announcing collaboration with LG Energy Solution. LITM shares could snap six day losing streak if it gains hold. LITM says it has inked non-binding memorandum of understanding with LGES to explore opportunity to create one of Canada's first lithium hydroxide processing plants in Center Port, Winnipeg, Manitoba. On that deal terms, LITM will supply LGES with lithium over a 10-year period once production starts in 2025 for about 3.6 million. LITM shares have already traded before the bell versus 10-day moving average volume of roughly 320k. Okay, so this is probably stock to watch in this session. Yes, 3.63 million shares across the tape, and they're looking at it aggressively. And they are trading it aggressively. You can see what's going on there for LITM. Okay, let's see whether we can get a target for LITM. Five-minute chart. Let's take 2.67. Okay, that's too small given what's going on here. Okay, let's be brave enough and take 3.07. and 2.67. that will give us a difference of 3.3. So take 3.3. So we take 0.33 and multiply that by 2.618. We add that to 2.67. We have a target of 3.5. Yeah, it's something that can happen. 3.5. $3.53 for LITM. So that's the 5-minute chart. Let's look at the 10-minute chart. Minutes. Okay, let's return to the 1-minute charts. LITM. LITM still maintaining a gain of around 17%. S&P 500 futures are down 52 points and are trading 1.4% below fair value. The Nasdaq 100 futures are down 161 points and are trading 1.4% below fair value. The Dow futures are down 391 points and are trading 1.3% below fair value. Equity indices in Asia Pacific region ended the week on a lower note, while Japan's market was closed for a holiday. There was some speculation that countries other than Japan could intervene in the currency market to slow the dollar's rise. Let's see what's going on with SONX. Sonido Inc. is up 45.52%. The company announced a private placement of common stock and pre-funded warrants in a deal valued at $63 million. Deal comprises sale of aggregate 23 million shares at 0.95 apiece and pre-funded warrants to purchase total of 43 million shares at 0.949 dollars per share. We're counting down to the open. SPRO. So we're into SPRO therapy.